Hey guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are having fun for sure. You know what? We're gonna create this beautiful look using very nice eyeshadow palette from a drugstore. If you wonder how did I create this beauty, you have to watch till the end of the video. For now, let's rock this look. Today, I'm doing my brows first, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown shade. Now, I will carve my brows with a concealer. I'm gonna use my Fit Me by Maybelline, and the brush is 195 MAC concealer brush. Right away, I'm applying my concealer down the bridge of my nose and all over the eyelid, and I will powder it. And that's gonna be our primer today. Also a teeny tiny bit on my chin and the cupid's bow. I'm going to my NYX Born to Glow Illuminator, and also will apply it to the bare face, to the highest point of my face. That's gonna be over the cheekbones and a little bit of a nose and a cupid's bow. So I want to give it kind of a inside radiance look. I will take my damp beauty sponge. And I'm applying it with kind of a swiping motion, so I'm pressing it and then I'm pulling it a little bit to spread it evenly. And I will also apply it to the middle of my face just for more radiance. For the foundation today, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Really good one, drugstore affordable, great. And I'm gonna apply it with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge in Marble. For the zone under my eyes, I will apply concealer again, but I will apply it straight from the bottle. As everything is blended well, I'm taking my MAC set powder, and with my MAC set powder, I'm gonna use something new. It is a Sonia Kashuk brush. It is 149 brush. This little guy is perfect for baking, especially under the eyes zone. Let's try it out to make sure, but the size of it is just dream. So I will set my under eyes, and I will powder a little bit on top of the lid. And I've slightly dusted it on my hand, and now I'll apply the powder on top of my eyelid. We just want to have a beautiful blending base. Here we are baking. Now let's contour slightly with my NYX Wonder Stick. Also, I've used the lighter side of the same stick and I've made kind of a smile to lift the face. And of course, we cannot forget about our nose. With my Sonia Kashuk 100 large powder brush, I will wipe off the bake and apply my MAC Pressed Select Sheer Powder. With my IT Cosmetics 227 Flawless Blush Brush, I will apply MAC Cupid Blush. I will apply it to the apples of my cheeks and then I will pull them a little bit to my ears. Now I will highlight just a slightly little bit with my NYX Love You So Mochi palette and this new Sonia Kashuk brush number 149. I will pick up this yellowish gold shade. It blends beautifully. This brush, it layers it so thinly and I love how settled it looks right now. So I feel like just I'm having extra radiant healthy skin but not the beaming highlighter. Like Born This Way look. So in this video I'm testing the Drugstore brand Milani. Their palette, I've heard a lot of good things about those ones. I want to test them. I want to see how many looks I can get out of them. I got two palettes and they look pretty alike. This one is basic matte and this one is must have neutral. So I will go to mattes right now, but I will grab some shimmers from the other palette as well. This one is called Matte 07. Let me show it to you closer. With my IT Cosmetics 105 brush, I'm going to this beautiful transition shade right here. And I'm just carving my eyelid socket. It is so pigmented. I didn't expect that. I mean, that's nice. That's really good. I want to add a little bit of a warmth to the look. Now I'm switching to the other palette. Let me show it to you. I am reaching for this beautiful pearly color. So on with my Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow brush, I'll apply it to this area right here. I got Sonia Kashuk Smudge Brush, and with this brush I'm reaching for this beautiful brown color. And I will smudge it all over the upper lid, just the lash line. So I've smudged under my eyes with that dark brown and I'm adding some warm tone brown to under the eye area as well. At this point, I want to add a little bit of bronzer. It is Wet n Wild bronzer and my Sonia Kashuk 100 large powder brush. So today I'm not in the mood for any mascaras I have right now, so I have this mini sample to try with Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. It is just a little sample. now we will apply Fascinating by MAC to our waterline. I'm getting MAC pencil brush, a little one, and I'm gonna apply tiny bit of a highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes. For my lips today, I'm using Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and the shade is Embrace. In a medieval Europe, ladies used to wear beauty patches on their face, and by the place the beauty patch is situated, you can tell either lady is married, or she's engaged, or maybe she's flirting or really passionate. That was a convenient thing, right? I am going to set my face with Pixi Skin Milk. Okay guys, here we are at the end of the video. We had a lot of fun today playing with this beautiful Milani palettes, testing some new techniques, and just chit-chatting and having fun and learning something new as usual. I enjoyed it really much. Hope you did too. So if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and put the thumbs up to this video. For now, I'm wishing you a good day. I'm loving you all, and